Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana continues to be below the important level that we highlighted in the previous video of $17.90. I would like to see a break above that level. Until then, the likelihood of another low is very high and the downside pressure remains. This is the bullish interpretation that you can see on the chart at the moment in a WXY structure. Also here another low is anticipated at the moment because it could just simply be an A, B, C structure in the Y wave. Looking at Fibonacci extensions based on this structure, if we take the length of the wave W, go to the high of the X wave, then let's go all the way up. Then you can see we're currently hovering around the 1-to-1 ratio and price bounced off the 1.236 extension pretty accurately. Below that, our support is $12, and well, then we've got $10, and below that $8.67, which is the 1.618 extension in this particular structure. That would go below the 88.7 Fib level and basically means that we get a retest of the December low if price breaks below $10. Because the 1.618 extension is typically the maximum target that you would get for a Y wave. But yeah, it would be quite close to the beginning of that wave one here. So the beginning, which was in December, right? So honestly, if it goes and sustains, if it breaks below and sustains below $12, I mean, then it looks very likely that it will take it to another low eventually. It's just that the 78.6 Fib level, if broken, and price sustains below it, then in most cases, as we can currently see in the crypto market, when this support level goes, new bear market lows are typically happening and typically on the radar. So anyway, one more low in this structure currently anticipated, unless price can really break above 1790. Until then, this could just be a wave 4. Above 1790, I would say, okay, we can consider that maybe something more bullish is going on. I mean, even in this structure, if I draw the fibs, the retracements, what is a typical retracement level for a wave 4? And here we've got $17.30 as maximum, theoretical maximum. That's at the 50% retracement. Typically, you don't want a wave 4 go above that level. I, however, say $17 and where were we? 90, because this is basically where the strong sell-off candle with all the volume started on Saturday. Okay, but it's pretty much in line with the 50% retracement. So that means that if price goes above the 50% level and then also above the 1790 level where the volume started, the sell-off volume, the fear, then we are looking at a possible low in place. But it would need to become an impulse to the upside eventually. 5 waves up, 3 waves down are required to increase the likelihood of a low. Until then, what could it be if we don't see an impulse to the upside? Well, explained that in the previous video. The bearish count would unfold as an ending diagonal, basically a wave 1 to the downside, which would have bottomed on the 10th of March, a wave 2 to the upside, a wave 3 to the downside, could also get a tiny new low, a wave 4 sideways, and another wave 5. We would need to see how low that eventually goes. That would be an ending diagonal, would be a bearish count, which means this would be a wave 4 and could be an A, B, C structure, okay, and then a wave 5 to the downside. At the moment, I have no strong evidence, no evidence at all actually, not even an indication that a low has been made. I think the interest rate decision today may spark a bit of volatility, as you know, and of course a break below the Saturday low at $12.80 would lead to a 5th wave here, that last low in the current structure here. And then we have relative or relevant support at the trend line again. So maybe the trend line is relevant. Below that level, the $12 level, then $10, and then as discussed, $8.67. Yeah, that's my update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.